Tableau and ClickView up to 2014. Spotify is out of competition because of the customers and clients and openings and everything will be less. Just forget about this one. So Tableau and ClickView is there. You sure? Can you disconnect it? Hello, guys. Anyone there? Nikita?
Yeah, I'm here.
You can hear, but you cannot see the screen, right?
We're here, Rajesh. We can just see the Tableau demo saying organizer issuer.
No, it's not showing for me. Okay, fine. So okay, these are the next generation BI tools: Tableau, ClickView, Spotify. Spotify is out of competition. Only ClickView and Tableau are in the market. And again, in the 2014 to 2015, the ClickView customers are down and Tableau customers are increased. Why? Because of, so how can I say like these customers are gone, these customers? Just type in a Google, you will get Tableau Gartner report for BI. Or sorry, not Tableau, simply Gartner report for 2015 in the point of BI. There may be image somewhere, right? This is the report, 2015 Gartner report, and it was done survey in the February. As per this one, Tableau is in this one. Remaining all BI tools, whatever it is, they are here. Okay. In 2014, there is no that much difference between the ClickView and Tableau, like this much. So everyone thinks like a Tableau or ClickView, there may be, or that time also Tableau is on top. So once 2015 comes, customers are little less for the ClickView, Tableau little up. Okay, this is the market as of now outside. Now, why the people are going for the Tableau? Why not going for the ClickView? Is the one of the big advantages. Both are same fast and same everything. Visualizations wise, it is easy to develop in the dashboards in the Tableau. And for the ClickView, if I want to create one company view, one company dashboard, like the sales in India, how it is there, I want to show in a map. Okay, for example, for Srinivas, he's from the chemistry background, he doesn't have any knowledge about the SQL and all those things. Yes, it is possible for Srinivas also to create a dashboard in Tableau, not in ClickView. Why? Because of ClickView wise, you need to write completely SQL queries, right? Then only you can load the data. But Tableau, it's not like that. You can drag and drop, or you can simply connect the source. Okay, but I'm not telling that Srinivas can do all the visualizations and calculation fields. But what happened? The basic things, our dashboards, however it is, if everything is data perfect, no need of creating any calculation fields, yes, he can do. If the data is exactly, then he can create whatever he wants. But in the ClickView, not like that. The person has to know the tables and columns, and joins, and all those things, then only he can create a dashboard in the ClickView. Because of that, that is one of the big advantage that Tableau comes to the top place. Okay, I will show you what is a Tableau and ClickView Spotify. I cannot because I don't have the tools and any other tools. Comparisons you need to find out outside. But some people will ask what is the difference between OBI and Tableau, Vivo and Tableau, Microsoft and Tableau. If I want to tell, I need to work on all the tools, right? So as of now, I have the completely working on the Tableau side. Okay, any doubts here, guys? Whatever the tool background, why we need to use Tableau, I will tell you now. Yes. So what is the agenda? Just introduction today. What is the Tableau? Tableau is a visualization tools. By using the simple drag and drop options, we can provide, like in the down, you can see this type of dashboards. How much critical it is, we can provide with simple drag and drop. The persons or whoever want to develop, if they doesn't have the technical knowledge also, they can create. There is a big advantage. And so these are the core features of the Tableau: visual analytics and fast performance, any data integration, and web mobile authoring. Okay, now, so visual analytics means the Tableau is providing like 24 type of views are there in the Tableau. You can select whatever it is. Whether I want to see the forecasting, future data, predictive analysis. My sales is up to 2015 May. We have the sales. I want to see how the business in 2016. Yes, it is possible in the Tableau. You can view. And bar graphs, line graphs, pie chart, and geographical maps, whatever it is. So the routine graphs and some advantage of maps and all those things, they're providing visually nice. Number one. Number two, fast performance. How the fast performance is fast means I have a data in database. Okay, that contains maybe 7 GB or 10 GB. Okay, when I want to create a report, the 10 GB data has to transfer through the network. Means data size is more. That is the first drawback. Second drawback is it has to travel or process through the network. Means automatically when the network performance is less, automatically your dashboard performance is less. Number one. Number two, when the data size is more, again the performance will be less. So in such scenarios, what happened? When once you open the dashboard, it may take 5 or 10 minutes to load. But we are going to show this for the upper management or higher management. So once I click the graph, they are used to wait for the 10 days sitting like idle. So that will be not good at all. So for that one, the fast performance is there in the Tableau. Means what happened? How the performance will be fast? If 10 GB data is there, when there is extract concept. When you are extracting, if we compress the data, at that time data may goes to up to 5 GB also, almost 100%, right? It's like 100 GB, so 10 GB to it come to 5 GB, or 50% it will decrease. Done. So now, so 5 GB is there, so size is less, performance is fast. Number one. Number two, when you are extracting, that extract copy will be in your server only directly, Tableau server only. Means our visualizations, our source data is there in the both same system. Automatically the performance is also fast. And it's in-memory technology. In-memory technology means depending on the RAM, it will process. So more RAM, more cache, more process, and automatically speed will be fast. Okay, filters and all those things will be there for the user selections. The next important thing is we can connect to any data. Any data means like it is a if you take OBI, it will be little favor about the or Oracle, MSBA for the SQL Server, Cognos for the IBM, something like that. But this one Tableau will not be favor for any other source data, any other database. You can connect anything, Salesforce or Google Analytics. Mainly as of now, the big data, big boom is there in the market. The Hadoop. Okay, in the big data wise also, finally the end user, once you process everything, you want to show the view. Tableau is the source, best source to view that, create a dashboard over the big data or Hadoop. Okay, we can integrate any data. We can connect. And business integration, we can integrate JavaScript or multiple APIs. I want to connect to R. Now SAS also they implemented. So we can connect and we can integrate other scripting things also. Okay. As of now, there is no programming concept. Don't worry. If you want, you can integrate yourself. Okay. Now D3JS came, data driven. So that also you can implement by using advanced visualizations, like nice visualizations, interactive you can create. Next, web and mobile authoring. So user can access this dashboard, whatever it is, maybe browser or maybe mobile or maybe tab, whatever it is they can access. Okay. These are the core features of the Tableau. If you take the architecture, this is a simple architecture. The first one will be the customer data. In the customer data, data warehouse or data mart. Whether his data may be in warehouse or data mart or files, whatever it is, no problem. If the data resides in the data warehouse or data mart, what happened? By using SQL connector, data will be loaded into this fast data engine. okay, by using the SQL connector. And if the data is there in the cubes, the MDX connector will work out internally. What MDX connector why it will work out is because of the cubes will be created by using the MDX query language, so MDX connector will work out. Okay, whether SQL connector or MDX connector, whatever the source data it is, internally it will take in care. Manually, no need to worry about this one. Okay, SQL connector will go and work, MDX connector will go and work. There is no option. That will take background. Depending on the source data, that will implement and it will load the data. Once you take the data, it will load into the fast data engine. What is going to be happen in the fast data engine? It will compress, and in-memory concept will be done in this fast data engine only. Now, what about the repository? It will contain the supported objects. So in the future, okay, or maybe in first class, maybe tomorrow you can come to know what is the use of repository. Simple basic example. Okay, data will once that data loaded into the fast data engine, this data server will handle the metadata information, which table it is there, which database they connected, what type of joins they created, what are the column names, is there any aliases, what is the hierarchy, all those things will be maintained by the data server. And what is the application server? It's complete application, whole desktop server, and everything will be taken care of. We will, whichever connected, whichever is down, server down, up, everything will be taken care by the application. The important of this Tableau is visual server. So for that one, we'll go on next slide. I will show you. I have a data like this, okay, and I want to create a dashboard like this. Means what is going to happen in the background is, so by using the VisualQL is nothing but visualization query language. By using this one, the background script is Ajax based JavaScript. So once you connect this data, you created a bar graph like this in Tableau. The background, it will create the Ajax based JavaScript program and it will compile. The output will be like this. Okay, this is the data. It will create a program. It will execute, and output will be like this. Okay, so this VisualQL process, everything will be taken care by the VisualQL server. So the main use, the raw data will be converted into the visualizations by using this option. Internally, that one, as of now, everything as I'm telling internally, we are not going to do anything here manually. Okay, now the gateway or load balancer or interface. So by using this one, the user can access the dashboards which are come from the this one, and that may be clients, maybe desktop or mobile browser, and the load balancer means automatically, for example, how much time it has to allocate for this dashboard, how much time for other dashboard, memory, space, everything will be taken care by this one. So there is a simple architecture of the Tableau. Next, so what are the products are there in the market? There is one more product, Tableau Online is also Tableau Desktop, Server, Reader, Public, and Tableau Online. I didn't updated this about one. Recently, the Online came as a feature. The Tableau Desktop, what is Tableau Desktop? It is a desktop applications, okay, where the developers, means we are going to work on the tool. So by using this one, we can connect the source data and create the dashboards, upload into the server. Then what is a server? So server is what are the dashboards uploaded by the developers by using desktop, will maintain, and the end user will access. Means it is a one type of hub. It is in the middle. So 2 or 3 developer people are there. They are working on this one, creating the dashboard. Once it's done, they will upload into the Tableau server. From the server, user can access. Okay. Next, what is the Tableau reader? So end user, how they will access directly depending on the browser. Just we will provide a one link. Click on that one in the browser, any browser, Google Chrome, IE, they can view. Or else they want to download. If you take example of PDF in a mail, you can directly open in the mail, right? Or else you can download. So once you download it, if you want to open the PDF file, definitely there should be Adobe Reader or Acrobat Reader in your system. So what we will do with the system application, nothing, just for opening the PDF files. Same thing, once you downloaded one dashboard from the Tableau server, that will be in the Tableau supported format. If you want to open that one, there should be an application that is a Tableau Reader. By using the reader, you will open. Because this is for the end users. Maximum people use the browser based only. If some people want, this is an open source free license, they can download and they can use it. Next, Tableau Public. What is a Tableau Public? So as of now, these three are professional. The next one will be the Tableau Public will be the free version and learner version. It is exactly equal to the desktop. What is the difference is this is a professional version, this is a learner version. Here we can connect all the sources. Here we can connect only three: Excel, MS Access, and text. Those three. If I want SQL server by using public, it's not possible. MS MySQL and Teradata, Hadoop, whatever it is, it's not possible in the Tableau Public because of it's a free version, they're limited, restricted. One more is once you create a dashboard, you can upload into the Tableau server, or else you can save a copy in your local. But by using the public, we cannot save in our local, we cannot publish in the server. Then what is the use to create a dashboard? Once I practice, then you should register in the Tableau website. There will be another option. You can register and you can upload there. There is no security, everyone can view your data. Okay, and one more is Tableau Online is exactly equal to the Tableau server. Same public how it is there, desktop, same things. Tableau Online is equal to server. Tableau server is our local that we can download and we can install. Tableau Online will be the cloud based, and as of now, the 30 days they will provide as a trial. Later, they will charge. Means, for example, I have a small company. I cannot invest that much, but I want to show the dashboards in Tableau. Yes, I can purchase a license from the Tableau online. They will subscribe me, like 1 or 2 licenses they will provide. Directly I can upload my dashboards into that particular cloud. Okay, that is a feature of Tableau Online. But most of the people use Tableau server only. So simple flow is this is the source data, whatever it is. By using Tableau desktop, you can connect. Once you connect, creating the dashboards, in the connection to or the live query and extract. I will teach you what is the difference, not now. So once create the dashboard, upload that into the server. From the server, end user can access. Okay, well, at the time of uploading to the server, and security is important. So depending on the credentials, okay, this particular person want to see this one. All those things will be happened by using the security. And as of now, I have a data up to April. Now, because of we are in May is not completed, only April data is there, I can view. But once we move to the June, automatically the dashboard has to update with the May data also. In such scenarios, we will create a scheduler here. That scheduler directly taken from the source data and it will update the dashboards. Finally, then the June 1st, you can see the May data also. So scheduler concept is there, security is there in the repository. It will contain the objects. What are the files are there, what are the emails, and everything will be taken care. Next, so this is a platform desktop. By using desktop, we will create, upload to the server. From the server, user can access whatever it is, whether mobile or web or desktop, they can access. Connecting to data. So these are the sources are there in the Tableau as of now, in file or on server. So I told you in the public, these three will be enabled. Access Excel, text file, remaining all disabled. Okay, in the real time, this will be the, if the whatever the database it is, you can simply connect. Now I want to connect IBM DB2, click on the IBM DB2, the IBM DB2 connections will come, enter, and you can connect. So no need to worry about ODBC and all those things. If it is there, automatically it will take. No more. And if the new database comes into the market, database name is tech classes. The database name is of tech classes. So what to do? How can I connect? If that is not there in the list, maximum Tableau each and every versions they keep on updating the sources because of what are the new databases comes, it will update. Or else the last we have an option of ODBC, other database. Click if you create a DSN, click on the ODBC. You can connect by using ODBC. Next one. So these are the 24 type of visualizations are there in the Tableau. The table format or tree, highlight tables, maps, whatever it is, these are 24 types. Depending on your data, automatically visualizations will be enabled. Why? Each and every view, it will follow some set of properties that has. See down, if you want to create a map, there should be one geographical dimension. If the geographical location is there, I can create a map. Or else, I have a data like this, laptop cells are 500, mobile cells are 1500. Simply can I show in particular location, whether it may be belongs to Delhi or Karnataka, Bangalore, Hyderabad, whatever it is, it's not possible. Because if there is no geographical location, it's not possible. We cannot find out anywhere. If the data comes like this, okay, the state-wise data, okay, if the states are there, then around I can show the state-wise data. Okay, and this, okay, I drag and drop dimensions and this particular measure, geographical dimension measure. Then it is matching the property of this particular map. It's enabled. Once I click, it will create like this. Okay, so this is Aadhaar card data generated in particular week. So it's there. Now, once you upload to the server, the dashboards will be like this. Once you click on this particular dashboard, it will show completely. And that too, it is a browser base. Now, I told you Gartner report as per the 13 capabilities. So, how they will rank Tableau is on the top. These are the capabilities: reporting and dashboard, interactive visualizations, metadata management wise, Tableau has the top 1 position. Okay, next collaboration, OLAP, screen recording, and scorecardings. Depending on that one, the rank will be different things. So 2015, Tableau is here, click is here. Any doubts, guys? I will show you just for 2 minutes what is Tableau. This is the latest version, but I will show you 8.2 old version. You guys have to show your previous projects like I've done in the Tableau, so it's better to go for the previous versions. Connecting data, I told you these are the connections are there. I want to connect SQL server, just click, SQL server connections will come. Now I want to connect DB to DB2. It means each and everything the connections will be different. Okay, and whatever the data it is there, so it is data is coming from DB2 or SQL server or MS Excel. It is outside of the Tableau only. Once it comes, everything will be treated as the same. Like okay, these particular functions will work out for SQL server. This one will not work for the Excel. It's not like that. It's a global. So whatever the source it is, no problem. Even you can practice in Excel also, that's not a problem. Whether you can take in the data from the SQL server is also no problem. Just a connector one Excel file. So in particular Excel file, we have multiple 3 sheets are there. So each sheet will consider as a separate table. You can view the data here directly, whatever the data it is there. Like this, drag and drop. So live connection or extract connection. Live connection, extract connection. This difference will come in the starting connection the other side. Go to the worksheet. The dimensions and measures in particular table. What are the dimensions? What are the measures it will show? If this one belongs to measure, but why it is showing dimension, drag and drop here. So you can do whatever it is. Subcategories. Why is I want to say this? Automatically the views will be enabled on the right side. Bar graph, scatter plot, pie chart, heat map, highlight tables, bubble chart, whatever you want you can create in a fraction of seconds. Plus color, label, I want to sort it out. So we have an option of F5 in the presentation. PowerPoint we have the option of F5 is the shortcut key, slideshow, full view. Same thing in Tableau, this is the thing, F7 will be the shortcut key. Click on F7, it will come like this. Keyboard. Full view we can see. Okay, so I will let you know, and as of now I will follow the course content. Sorry, it's already open. Like this. First class will be Tableau environment. What is menu in particular menu, what is there in toolbar, what is there. First we need to know the tool, then later we can start doing connecting data and joins, multiple source and properties. What are the properties are there, column wise and all those things, and you can show the views, filling the views manually. Then later these are the core topics: filters, actions, calculations, parameters, lines, forecasting, trend line, images and maps. So these are the core topics. So once you've done everything, then only you can go to the other formatting the dashboard and upload into the server. I will teach you both desktop and server. Okay, guys. Any doubts? You can, if you are muted or unmuted, I don't know. Just you can ask me.
So in order to learn Tableau, do we need any background? I mean, SQL Server database or SQL queries or Java, any kind of background is required?
Okay. So did I create any SQL as of now?
Sorry?
Just I drag the table and go to the sheet. Done, right? Same thing you can do. Yeah, I will explain. Same thing you can do. If the data is perfect, no need to go for anything. If, for example, I have data in 6 or 7 tables, or else in particular table I have 200 columns, but I want to use only 10 columns. In such scenarios, you need to write SQL query that to basic level, that is select query only. Select query, and if you want to join, you should have another joins concept. Okay. If you work little hard, like just select query, group by having joins, and one more concept is subqueries, inner queries. They will think right inside the query, inner query. So these are the concepts. Completely, what I'm telling is retrieving the data finally. Only select query wise you need to practice well. That is more than enough. And there is no other programming concept here at all. There is no script, and there is nothing to edit the program here. Okay. And this SQL will be starting level only. Because of other tools, what happened in the middle also they used to edit the SQL query, but nothing like that. It will be in the static level. Once you go to the worksheet, there is no SQL edit option here anywhere.
Okay.
Okay. Next.
The old tool or at least latest one? How many years it old?
It started in the 2004. Okay. But recently it's popular in the market from the last 2-3 years. Any other doubts? Abhinay?
No doubts, sir.
Okay, fine.
I'm okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nikita?
I'm okay, no doubt.
No doubts? Okay, guys. Just check with your students whoever it is, and we'll start tomorrow at the same time. And I need a confirmation from the trainers, organizers. Okay, Ishwar? And any doubts, Malaradi?
No, Rajesh. I'm good, actually.
Yeah. Ishwar, are you there?
Ishwar is not there. I am Srikanth.
Okay, Srikanth. Okay, this is the demo. Just check with your organizers and let me know as soon as possible. Okay, bye guys.
All right. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.